My name is Beth. I had a total hip replacement at Maple Grove Hospital. My experience at Maple Grove Hospital was amazing. I knew I was in great hands, whether it was with the surgeon or with the team that was surrounding him during my surgery. They got me up that first night and started walking around, and I was able to move that hip with no problem whatsoever. It was amazing. I'm now back working out at the fitness center because I'm able to, since I had my surgery, and I'm able to do the bike, do the treadmill, do weight training. So it's been a really good thing. If you know that you are in need of a replacement, don't put it off. I know down the road, I probably will have a second hip replacement, and I wouldn't go anywhere else.